Pizza, one of the most loved foods in the world, from street food to a global sensation. But have you ever wondered, where did pizza actually come from? Who made it first? And how did it become so famous worldwide? Today, we're going on a journey through time to uncover the delicious history of pizza. Pizza was not invented in one day. It actually evolved over thousands of years. In ancient times, people in places like Greece, Egypt, and Rome used to eat flatbreads with toppings like herbs, oil, and cheese. Even the word pizza was first recorded in 997 AD in Italy, where it referred to a type of flatbread. So technically, pizza started as a simple bread, not the cheesy dish we love today. Modern pizza was born in Naples, Italy, around the 18th century. At that time, Naples was a busy city with many poor workers. They needed cheap, quick food, so they started adding tomatoes to flatbread. And this was a big moment because tomatoes had only arrived in Europe after the discovery of America. This simple combination of bread, tomato, and oil became the first real version of pizza. It was sold on the streets and eaten by hand. Pizza was actually considered food for poor people back then.
Now comes the famous story. In 1889, a chef named Raffaele Esposito from Naples was asked to make a special dish for Queen Margherita of Italy. He created a pizza with red tomatoes, white mozzarella, green basil. These colors matched the Italian flag. The Queen loved it, and this pizza was named Pizza Margherita. This is why many people call Raffaele Esposito the father of modern pizza. But remember, pizza already existed before him. He just made it famous. The world's first pizzeria is believed to be Antica Pizzeria Port Alba, opened in Naples in 1738. At first, pizza was sold on streets, but later people started sitting and eating inside restaurants. By the 1800s, pizza had already become very popular in Naples. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Italian immigrants took pizza to the United States. In 1905, one of the first pizzerias opened in New York City. At first, pizza was only popular among Italian communities. But after World War II, American soldiers who had tasted pizza in Italy came back home and wanted more. That's when pizza exploded in popularity. From America, pizza spread across the world. Different countries created their own styles. Thick crust pizza in the USA, thin crust in Italy, unique toppings in different countries. Today, pizza is one of the most popular foods on earth. From street stalls to luxury restaurants, pizza is everywhere. So pizza wasn't invented by just one person. It's a story of ancient flatbreads, poor workers in Naples, a royal queen, and global migration, from a simple street food to a worldwide favorite. Next time you eat pizza, remember, you're tasting hundreds of years of history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What's your favorite pizza topping? See you in the next video.